Welcome back to Get Health with Dr. Cooper Kitchen segment. Today I have a very simple but nutritious recipe for you today. I have quinoa salad. Now quinoa, it's a whole grain that has a high content of protein, fiber, and all the good nutrients. I'll also be using black bean. Beans are the poor man's protein. Lots of protein, complex carbohydrates, lots of fiber for good health. I'll also be using garbanzo bean, same properties, proteins and fiber. I'll be using corn, roasted corn. Corn is a whole grain. It has all the fiber, all the nutrients, all the protein, and all the minerals. Let us start. So 2 cups of quinoa. This quinoa is already cooked. Very easy to cook. It cooks in about 15 minutes. Then to the quinoa, I'm going to add my already cooked black beans, 2 cups. I'll add some more beans, and that's going to be my garbanzo or chickpea, another 2 cups. And to this, I'll add another grain. This is my roasted corn, 2 cups, and this will give the crunch. To that, I'm going to add my pico de gallo, which is made of cilantro, onions, pepper. So we're going to mix that in. And to that, I'll add a pinch of salt. So a pinch of salt. Then I'll add my lemon juice. I'm going to squeeze this in. And if you like more lemon, you add lemon. This gives a lot of vitamin C. Now to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And you always should be careful with the amount of oil that you use in your diet, because oil is processed and high in calories, so be very careful. All right, so we have our extra virgin olive oil there. And then I'm going to spice it up with my pepper here, my cayenne pepper. So let's just, add a little bit of cayenne pepper, not so much out there, okay? So we add some cayenne pepper, and we're going to mix this in. So we're going to mix this in thoroughly, so we get all of our spices or flavor in. This is ready to go. Now this dish is very easy to prepare, as you have noticed. You could leave it overnight. It could be served hot or cold. This is a good one to take to work. Just pre-package this, and you have a whole meal ready, filled with protein, good carbs, lots of fiber to fill you up and for you to keep feeling fuller longer, and of course your minerals and your vitamins. Now, if you really want to stay healthy, to lose weight, reverse your hypertension and your diabetes, and lower your cholesterol, then you need to make this at home for yourself and your family. Now, children, you notice there's a surge of diabetes and obesity right now because of the diet we eat. So parents, if you model good, healthy diet, then your children will be healthy. So for more recipe or to learn how to live a long and healthy life, then join my community. Go to my website, gethealthywithdrcooper.com or .tv or cooperwellnesscenter.com. Until then, I'll see you again soon. To your health.